Hi, this is Gary at WaterField Designs, and I'm excited to introduce our classic executive leather messenger brief. The wonderful thing about the bag is the statement it makes. It's sophisticated, it's sturdy, reliable, it's highly functional, and it fits right in at a board meeting, a client presentation, or sessions with your project team. We took the classic messenger bag and pared it down to the essentials. We start with a beautiful full-grain distressed leather. It's a perfect blend of rugged and luxurious. It's substantial, and you can tell it's the real thing just by touching it, smelling it. We keep the flap edges raw to give it a been around the world a few times look. This is the type of the bag that as you use it will gain lots of character and become better and better looking. It's not a pretentious bag, it's an approachable bag for the kind of guy that rolls up his sleeve and gets to work. The flap locks shut with a very cool paragliding buckle that we import from Austria. It makes a beautiful sound when it locks shut, so you know it's secure. Then just slide a finger along each side to unlock and open. The inside is designed to keep your tech gear safe and organized. On the back side is your padded laptop compartment and padded tablet pocket. On the front side are two deep hand pockets, one zips closed. And of course we line our leather messenger with our gold liner so you can see better what you have inside. On the outside front are two super softly lined quick access pockets. It feels so good to put your hand in there, and a perfect place for your phone. One of the major benefits with the executive leather messenger is its comfort. We've attached the adjustable shoulder strap to metal D-rings so the strap rotates and adjusts to the way you're carrying the bag, either cross-body or over one shoulder. And we place the D-rings low so the strap pulls the entire surface area of the bag against your body, making it more comfortable to wear. On top is a thoughtfully placed, comfortable leather carry handle. We position the handle toward the back so it takes the stress away from the front of the flap. We even angle the leather handle slots to line up with the way you actually hold the bag. On the back is a convenient suitcase slot to slip onto your carry-on handle, making rushing through SFO or any airport a bit easier. The choice is yours between three handsome leather options. We make the executive messenger in a formal Dakota black. My personal favorite is the distressed brown grizzly. The color starts off on the light side, but over the course of a few months gains a beautiful darker patina that just keeps getting better and better looking. Really nice. And we have a dark brown distressed chocolate. The leather messenger comes in two sizes, compact and full. Now both sizes will hold a 15-inch MacBook Pro and a 13-inch tablet. The compact size is really nice. It's easy to carry, it's unobtrusive, and is meant to hold just your work essentials. The full size, while not huge, gives you extra space if you carry bulkier items. This is our fabulous new executive leather messenger brief, designed to get you where you want to go, both on the road and in life. It's a timeless piece that gets better and better looking the more you wear it, and it's available today from SF Bags. Thanks for watching.